Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin dropped on the news that the US government, Kamala Harris, Biden, they just moved 10,000 Bitcoin to Coinbase. So the market dropped on that sell of 10,000 Bitcoin, which is a few $100 million actually. So quite a big drop and a lot of panic. We went from 62 down to 50. You can see that drop occurred last night when the US government moved 10,000 Bitcoin and we had this drop, about $3,500 drop. The overall chart, the massive climb on Bitcoin, still large volume, not as big as when we had that volume spike down here. Total viewers 48,000, Bitcoin price.live, crypto market cap 2.18 trillion. Fear, it's crazy. We're at $58,000 and we're in fear at $58,000. Funding free, almost negative. And that was that drop. That's when the US government were reaching 62, going for new highs. And then they moved 10,000 Bitcoin and we just had this plunge from 61,800 all the way down to 58,400. So again, governments a little bit fucking us with these wars and these movements of massive amounts of Bitcoin. If you are a government and you hold Bitcoin, it would be so stupid. Use it as your treasury. Bitcoin, you're going to be buying it back anyway as a government in the future. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my $580,000 account now because it dropped last night on that drop because I'm 30% in Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades and answer your questions. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the markets. We had quite a big drop. Tesla down 3%, Google 2-point-something%, Text, the rest of crypto slightly down, Bitcoin dropping, but it already reset. Going on to the weekly charts, we have cup in hand, the three big patterns that I showed you in the previous video still in play. Stochastic is heading down. Buy volume is still strong. We have 4 days left. Crypto Guru bot still a blue buy. Fired in 2023 at 20,000. Still a blue buy now. Hasn't fired a sell. You get it in the master course. Bitcoin indicator bot also not yet fired a buy. Stochastic heading up. Let's go closer onto the daily. Daily stochastic is heading up. Not yet overbought, but starting to get overboardish. We're still in this pattern, which is a megaphone pattern. It's a descending megaphone pattern, builds pressure and then breaks outwards. We're also in the second to third impulse. The trade from yesterday's video, from my setup yesterday, did it activate? It has not yet activated, or maybe it activated, I'm not sure. Either activated or not yet activated. I would keep the same trade. 57,800, stop loss 56,800, take profit 105, risk toward 46 times, risking 1,000 to make $47,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage 470,000. Again, the trade opens 57,800. The gray line, stop loss 56,800. It came down to this support, so I think it will activate most likely on a little bit more of a drop on this little double top on the hourly. But I will stay long in my positions. I'm going to show you my account now. Underneath the video, if you want, you can sign up to Bybit. You get a $60,000 bonus now when you use that link and meet their trading requirements. The other exchanges are also my second and third favorite. Bybit is the best for trading. Crypto Master Course to learn all this, Laws of Money course to once you have money to learn to keep it, and Stock Guru Master Course also to learn stock courses. This will be the best $300 of each course for each course that you've ever spent. It's $333. You'll learn trading. If you've been losing money, if you've been crying in the markets, if you've been praying, you need to take these courses to understand. And then join us in the Telegram. There's a few hundred of you online in the Telegram, 110 of you online, sharing charts, sharing that it's breaking this trend line. We're in that channel. This guy shows head and shoulders, which is a bearish pattern. This guy shows just like crazy charts. You can join them all in the Telegram. My Bybit account right now is 580K. Yesterday, we went down to 577. No, this is the last week. So 612 down to 577, back to 598, back to 580. So very volatile week on Bitcoin. It's because I bought the bottom. I sold here, you can see before the drop at 66K, bought the bottom down at 49K. So every time it moves from 57 to 61, it's a big difference on my trades. This trade was positive yesterday, 20,000, now back to $6,700 positive. I'm not paying funding fees. The funding fee is still negative, which is amazing. So I'm getting paid to keep this $316,000 Bitcoin trade open. which is interesting. Make sure liquidation is below 48K. So again, I'm getting paid, but this trade was positive 20 yesterday before the drop, before we had this drop from the markets. Uniswap still holding strong, which is amazing. It didn't drop like the rest. And again, this is when I sold. If you followed my videos, I sold in the beginning of the month, warned everyone. Then we had that big drop. Uniswap went from $7.20 down to $3.60, $4.70. I managed to buy the bottom a lot. Look, I bought the bottom perfectly all down here. And then bounced, and it didn't drop. Uniswap didn't drop with the rest of the market yesterday, which is quite interesting. My breakdown of assets: Uniswap 12.5%, USD 27%, Bitcoin 29%, MCRT 13%, Doge 7%, World 4%. Now I'm going to go into your question. These are some of your questions. Good evening. I learned the cons from my mistakes. Can you help? I'm not sure. Take the crypto master course to learn how to trade. Notcoin seems to be a scam, everyone, so be careful. A lot of people post, there's a lot of scam accounts trying to get people to sign up to Notcoin, so I'm not sure. Beautiful sunrise, thank you for the work you do. Just out of curiosity, and of course, it's not a secret what country you are because it's very beautiful. I'm thinking about moving from home country and looking for ideas. Southeast Asia is amazing. I like Mexico, I like Poland, I like also countries with beaches. Southeast Asia is amazing. It's a lovely place. Where are you living? Southeast Asia. Big up cunt for sunrise recording. Nice unicatch. Thank you. Hi, James. Can you review XRP? Yes. What's your thoughts on Solana? So I'll do Ethereum, Solana, XRP. That's not a caveman look. That's the kick-ass guru look. Awesome work, James. Get that account to 1 million. Thank you. Let's try Bitcoin 40K. What's going to get my account to 1 million right now? Sitting at 581. It will be Bitcoin pumping. I'm mostly in Bitcoin. Uniswap also pumping. MCRT pumping. Doge. This is what I would need to get this account to 1 million. Let's see if there's any. Okay, so Solana 144, and Ethereum I want to quickly do, an XRP. Solana, big bounce. So the big support on Solana is 109. 110 is massive support on Solana. I haven't did technicals on Solana in a while. Massive symmetrical triangle is in effect on Solana. Sorry, not symmetrical, it would be descending. But now it's kind of moved this way, right? Solana, I think I have to do new ones actually for Solana. This looks like, let's clear all these charts, and for Solana, I'll do it new. And I'm just going to do Solana, I'll do Ethereum in the next video. So this is Solana. Huge. First thing I see is giant cup and handle, like I see everywhere. I've been saying this. I see cup and handles everywhere. Cup and handle is a very bullish pattern that plays out like this. Cup, handle breaks out the distance of the base of the cup. And I teach you this in the crypto master course. So expect that Solana could make a huge move when the bull market starts. And look at the volume. Last week was all-time high volume for Solana. All-time high volume for Solana. Target of this giant cup and handle is $312 for Solana. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that, everyone. Where to take a long, try to get it off major support, which would be sitting, I would say, here on Solana, 117. Oh, it actually went lower. It went down. Here is the major support, 113. So that's a great entry to try and catch a move to that 312 on a cup and handle breakout. And Bitcoin also showing this cup and handle. Also a lot of patterns. I share it on my X. So that's the trade I would take on Solana. That trade there. And I'm going to show you on X. Here, you can follow me also on X. I've got 86,400 followers. This was my post. Look at this. In 2018, everyone. Repost. The current top 10 coins exactly 12 months ago. Just hodl. Bitcoin, $920. This was me in 2018. And look at the time, everyone. 11:11 p.m. How cool is that? Down here, 11:11 p.m. 11:11 p.m. I posted it in 2018. So 6 years ago. More than six and a half years ago. Crazy. Bitcoin, $920. Ethereum, $10. So think about it. Bitcoin now is 58,000. Ethereum right now is 2,000 or 3,000. 30 times. Bitcoin is 30 times. Bitcoin is 60 times. Ethereum is 30 times. XRP is now 60 cents. XRP is 100 times. BCH, ADA, their prices weren't existing back then. Neo, 14 cents. Litecoin, $3. Litecoin is like $90 now. Amazing when you look back at it like that. I told everyone in 2018. Bitcoin again, 920, now 58,000, 58 times. Ethereum now 3,000, 30 times. XRP 60 cents. Let's do XRP because someone keeps you requested it. XRP USDT. This is XRP USDT. Broke out of this big, massive descending triangle that goes back all the way to 2021. Builds pressure, broke out, bounced back. If we get bounced now with volume, if we get a strong bounce with volume, XRP ready to go. And target of a descending triangle is massive. It's the base of the triangle. So this distance here. So XRP has a chance to go, like in a bull market, it can go massive. I don't know if it reaches those highs again. The yellow lines are the resistance. So that's where you'll be taking profits. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the links, again, underneath the video. Go down below. The exchanges, the courses, the networking. Join us in the Telegram. If you haven't taken the courses, you're just gambling. So be very careful. Make sure you take the courses first. Learn all of this. None of this is financial information. You have to do your own due diligence. I'm showing you my opinions. But you have to do your own research, consult your own brokers. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. In my opinion, we are oversold with a lot of cup and handles forming everywhere. So I'm not selling right now, but I am cautious. But right now, I think we're getting ready for some huge moves according to these cup and handles. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.